Okay, in the chat, let's run the workflow. Now, from here, I can select the workflow. So I'll just put in the pre-launch website SEO, or you can search for it. And then I can either talk to the agent or I can just give it a prompt, please assist to run this workflow. And it's now going to think about that and grab the workflow and then set it up for us so that it can be executed. Now, as it's doing that, it brings all the agents together in that agentic workflow. And here we go. It's going to set that up for us. And we'll notice that this one starts out with an exclamation mark because there is the prompt template. So when I view the details, it'll show each of these steps, each of the blocks that we created before. And the first thing to do is fill out this first part. So I put in, now I'm making this up, the URL doesn't exist. And we're going to do molecular degeneration and Orlando.com, and we are in Orlando, Florida, USA. Purpose is to assist people. I'll pause so you don't have to. Okay, we will add voice translation on these so you don't have to type. But I've just put in here website purpose, assist people over 60 years to reduce the molecular degeneration through blood work diagnostics and a personalized supplement plan. So it means that you no longer need to get needles in the eye every 4 weeks. Yikes. Target audience, people over 60 years and their kids who support their parents. So we'll run that one. And what's happening now is the allocated AI agent is going through and doing the work for that main keyword research based on that info. So here we go, looking good. And then once that step is completed, this agent will pass the work on to the next agent to do the next info. So now it's going on and taking the next step. And if my description is shorter, you'll see the number of seconds appear, but you can also watch the running movement of it up the top here with the input and the costs for those models and so forth. So now going on to the technical SEO specialist who's doing the on-page technical plan for the next 90 days and has put that out into the table, which we requested it to do in the prompt, what the task is, the details, the KPIs for these items so that we can measure and track that it's been done. And with that successfully finished, it'll go on to the next one. Now, what you can do, if you weren't happy with the output, you can actually re-prompt it. So that prompt that we had designed in the workflow, you can actually put that further, make further changes to it. Now, it won't save it back in the workflow. It's just for this particular run. So you can test it, get better results, and then if you like that prompt, go back in and edit your workflow. So you can do all this just in line. Here's the local SEO plan that's come out. I can further also continue writing, improve the writing, fix spelling, make it longer, make it shorter, and so forth. I can also copy that information, or if I want to download that specific area, I can do that in PDF, doc, text. If you want CSV or Excel, it's really important that you've actually prompted the output to be in that format for it to come out. Otherwise, it won't be able to get it. But you can edit it again before releasing it. Anyway, we've gone through and we've finished all these steps. So we've got the 90-day content strategies being put together, and we've got the ongoing SEO monitoring as well. We can see that the process cost total cost there of gosh, it was super cheap, wasn't it? A couple of cents because of the different models that we used. You could also go back through these and change the models to in each of the steps to be something more powerful if you want to use 4.0 and so forth. And you can also put another step in to get like a summary of all the information together. Now, if you like this type of stuff and you want to join me every Friday, which is actually Friday in Bali, but Thursday in the United States, I've got a Flow Fridays, which is AI agent workshops, and we can build alongside each other. You can check all the past sessions out on YouTube as well at AI Powered People. And not just agents, but our other products as well. So things like AI interviews and so forth. Anyway, thanks so much. It's super cool and fun to be here and part of this group and community, and looking forward to joining Ignite and seeing many of you there as well. My name is Matt Kesby. Please do reach out and connect. And thanks so much. I hope this can be really useful and serve you really well, and can have some fun together, especially with the amazing advancements coming. By way of background, I've got 1,100 employees in the Philippines, all AI powered, using tools like Rhea Pro. Rhea, REA, stands for Results Enablement Agents. And we do a bunch of other things. I've got a payments automation company. We've got 55 developers that are building out a whole range of products, including AI interviews and some new performance coaches that are about to be released. There's some super cool, exciting stuff we're doing. So looking forward to sharing it with you all. Bye for now.